Kyle, good Wednesday afternoon. It's Jim Armstrong here from Coast Nissan in San Luis Obispo. I'm the customer service director for the dealership. I know Victor's reached out to you this morning. You have been pre-approved by Nissan for an auto loan. I know that you're driving a Leaf, and boy, that's important to us. We really need pre-owned Leafs on our lot right now, so it's kind of a win-win. Do this when you have a moment today. Reach out to us here at the dealership. You can call us at 805-202-4754. You can ask for Victor. He's working on the file, or myself, Jim Armstrong, if you prefer to work with a manager. We could really use your Leaf, so at the very least, I'd like to take a look at it and make you an offer on buying that car. So reach out to us when you have a moment. 805-202-4754. Jim Armstrong. Have a blessed Wednesday, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.
Central Coast is about being local. We live here for the community.
We work here for the sense of family.
We want you to come see us and feel at home.
We want you to know that we can help and that we care.
I'm Eric Eidemann, and this is Coast, your local Nissan dealer.